Hello, welcome to Texture Math. In this session, we will learn about CAB opcode or CABxx opcode, which is compare and branch. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the code in fixed format. We have declared two variable here on line number 10 and 11, which is var1 and var2. Both of these variable are of numeric type of size 4. Now on line number 15 and 16, we are assigning some values to these variables. So here we are assigning 50 to var1 and 20 to var2. Okay. Now we will see how we can utilize this CABxx built-in opcode. Okay. So here, if you observe carefully, these two small x's can be replaced with these options: GT, LT, GE, LE, EQ, and NE. What it means? Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. Okay, so these are the options that we can utilize with cab opcode. So what it do now, so on line number 20 we can use CABGT. So here I'm using GT. So what it means, it will check and compare these two variable, and if var1 is greater than var2, then it will directly jump to this tag 1. What is tag 1? So here we are giving one tag to this line number 24. So instead of going through the below lines, it will directly jump to the line number 24, which is mentioned as a tag 1. Okay, in which condition? When cab 1 where when var1 is greater than var2. Okay, so in that case it will directly jump to tag 1. So how I am specifying these values? So in opcode you have to specify CABGT, then var1 and var2. So if var1 is greater than var2, because we are passing GT, so then it will go for the tag 1. Okay, so in this case we have var1 greater than 20, greater than 20. So it should execute and directly jump to the tag 1. So in this case what will happen, this line will not executed, it will directly go to this print 2. Okay, so we are just displaying two things, print 1 and print 2. But if this value is greater than var2, then it will directly go to the tag tag 1 line, and from here it will process the further lines. So it will print the print 2. So let's see what we are getting in output. So we got print 2, which is correct. Now try to change some value. Here I will make it smaller. So in this case it should print both the values, because this time it will not go directly to the tag 1. So let's see, it print 1, print 2, because this condition is not satisfied, and that's why it directly go it doesn't go directly to the tag 1, and instead of that it prints the below two lines. Okay, so as per your requirement you can replace this GT with LT also. In that case it will check whether var1 is less than var2. If it is, then it will execute this, means directly go to this tag, otherwise it will go as per the flow. Similarly we have greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. Okay, so this is how we can utilize this compare and branch or CABxx opcode. So with this opcode you can also use some values with the indicators, like high, low, and equal indicator. uh, so for that you can refer the IBMi official website. There you will find out like which indicator get turns on in which condition. But mainly the concept is that we just use this opcode for the comparison of two values, and accordingly we will directly jump our flow to the marked tag. So in this session mainly we are discussing two opcode, which is tag also. So tag is mainly for assigning some tag line or for adding some tag in the code. And it is used to just to directly jump to the that particular line. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.